Assalamualaikum, a very good day to Sir Zinvi. So I'm gonna explain and describe the question 1 and question 2 from Pbcs. So this is the diagram of question 1. So in question 1, we are needed to make a system of a tank which have outlet and inlet and to sensor, which is upper switch and lower switch. So when the when the tank reach a certain low level, which is the main, it will trigger the low switch, which will turn on the inlet and fill in the tank. And when it reach upper level, it will trigger upper switch and drain the tank. So this is the simulation. So when the tank reach the low level, the low switch will turn on and the relay will trigger the inlet to fill in the tank. So even though it's above the low level, it will still fill in the tank until it reach the certain level which determine and trigger the upper switch. So the relay will turn on the outlet which will drain the tank. And even though it's already not reaching the upper level, it will continuously drain the tank until it reached the low level of the tank. So this system will loop and continuously going to be like this. So it will be loop continuously. So for the second question, this is the diagram of the second question. So in the question we are needed to uh, we need to we need to make a program which a conveyor, and it will um, every 100 parts it will push one parts to be checked for quality check and quality control. So first of all, um, the simulation will start the system. So we turn on. So when we turn on the system, it will move the conveyor. So the conveyor will continuously turn on until the stop button is pressed. So we're gonna start it again. Okay. So for the simulation, I'm just gonna set the value to 2. If not, we're gonna calculate this it just to save our time because it should be 100 parts. So in the sensor, it will sense the part if it pass through the sensor. So when the hundredth part, it's gonna push the parts out from the conveyor to be checked. So this we're gonna take 2 parts. So when the first part is turned on, it will trigger the sensor. So the countdown to 0 will be start, and this when this second part is turned on, the timer will be turned on for 3 seconds, which in that in that in that 3 second uh it will in that 3 second the solenoid gate will in that 3 second the solenoid gate in the 3 second the solenoid gate will be pushed out, which will push one one parts to the outside for quality check. And when the counter is okay, that's all the explanation for question 1 and question 2. Thank you very much.